In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your Gmail inbox to view older emails. Whether you're trying to find a long lost message or just want to tidy up your inbox, knowing how to properly sift through your emails is a handy skill. I'll guide you through a straightforward process, ensuring you can find what you're searching for with ease. Let's start by opening up your Gmail account and heading to your inbox. Once you're there, you'll notice at the top of your email list, right beside the search bar, a small arrow pointing downward. This arrow is your gateway to accessing older emails that are not immediately visible in your current view. Hover over to this small yet vital component and give it a click. But before you do, let me walk you through what happens when you click this arrow. This action will take you to the next page of your emails, revealing a list of messages that precede the ones currently shown. It's like turning a page in a book to continue reading. If you still don't spot the email you are looking for, you can repeat this process as many times as needed until you find that particular message. Each click is designed to seamlessly guide you further back into your email history, ensuring that no email, no matter how old, is beyond your reach. Now, a few quick tips as you explore. This feature is most useful if you're working chronologically. However, if you have a specific date or time in mind, consider using the search bar with more detail. Typing in keywords, dates, or even the sender's name can narrow your search significantly faster. Of course, Gmail is equipped with various filters that can aid in zeroing in on exactly what you need. Filters allow you to sort your emails by criteria like read, unread, or specific label tags. Integrating these filters alongside the arrow navigation will further enhance your experience, making it quicker and less of a hassle to manage large volumes of mail. Remember, maintaining an organized inbox not only helps you find emails faster, but also reduces the digital clutter. Going through this routine periodically ensures you keep tabs on important messages and clear out the unnecessary ones, thus making future searches even more efficient. So, that's it. You've just learned how to utilize a simple Gmail feature that can drastically improve your email browsing experience. With this newfound knowledge, go ahead and give it a try in your own account. It's a small yet incredibly impactful step towards mastering your digital communications. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks in the next tutorial.